Good morning from the tent. We reached here last night at about 10 p.m. and we were super late because we started late. And after parking the car, we had to trek for another 30 minutes in the rain to get here. And setting up a tent in the rain and with such wind was really difficult, but still we did it.
Did it. We tracked, but we couldn't see anything
Yes.
yesterday because it was very dark.
Very dark.
But all night we have been hearing so many amazing natural sounds.
And just added to a sleep, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So we are now very excited to step out and see what's outside.
So let's go.
It's been raining on and off since morning, but it's not the kind of rain that ruins plans. You are never really wet. It just touches you and fades away. But it gives you that feeling, like the sky is slowing everything down. We have always imagined the morning like this, just the two of us. Breakfast in the wild with nothing but beauty around us. It's like a dream come true. It's not a grand destination, but sometimes it's places like this that stays with you the longest. Sangeeta and I are on a journey to explore better ways of living. We're not just chasing beauty or luxury. We are learning that a better life isn't always easy. Sometimes it starts with stepping outside your comfort zone. Life moves fast, but here we remembered how to walk slow again. Sometimes doing nothing is where you feel everything. We chase so much, but this quiet space, this is what we really need. Sometimes you need silence to hear what life's really saying.
Let's go. That was where we were staying. Our tent was there. Yesterday we came at night, so we couldn't show you the path that leads here from the main road. We are going back now to the main road. We are going back to Guwahati. So I'll show you the paths that we came last night in pitch dark, right?
Yeah.
It was one hell of an experience. That was a resort. So how was your experience? What would you like to say?
It was really adventurous, a new experience for me
Yeah, that's good.
because this is the first time I stayed in a tent, and that too with this beautiful view.
Truly was amazing.
Yeah, this is going to be a very cherished memory for me.
Yeah. A memory for a lifetime, you can say.
Yes.
So yesterday we were walking through all this with just a flashlight of our mobile phones. With all these gears you can see. The camera accessories and
Some snacks.
some snacks.
Yeah. No idea how we didn't trip over something.
Yes. We have to admit it that it takes a whole lot of guts to like come here at that moment of time where you can't see even 1 feet what's next to you. It was pitch dark. Literally it was pitch dark,
Yeah. But all worth it.
but all worth it. Can you guys imagine? We crossed this at pitch dark yesterday.
I guess it was easier to cross this
Yeah,
at night.
at night because we couldn't see
Now
the
when I have seen it,
water. Yeah.
I was feeling scared to cross it.
But one thing we have to say that the owner was really helpful. He was waiting for us and he helped us with some of our baggage. It really means a lot.
Yeah, the service was very good.
Yes, the service was really very good. You can see that boy, he's carrying a tent. Yesterday also, the owner called him and he came and took some of our things from half the route. So yes, his hospitality was really very good.
So this place is called Heaven's Cove, and it took us almost 4 hours to reach here from Guwahati. We've had an amazing time and we hope you felt it too. So see you guys until next time. This is the We Did Story signing off.